This tutorial review will show you how to cut out an image object in Illustrator. First of all, import the photo, open Layers menu, take a new layer, lock the first layer by clicking here, select the first layer, select here background, make sure to disable it. Now select the pen tool, click around the object you want to cut, unlock the first layer and drag this layer to the first layer. Now click on select all, object, clipping mask and click on make. Now it's time to export the photo. Click on file, export, select here PNG, background color, select transparent. Okay, so that's how we can cut out an image object in Illustrator. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Tutorial River. See you in the next video.